how to order food from the Costco Food Court application. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how. So if you're looking for official website for Costco Food Court or the application but do not have it, you need to head over to costco.com for that and go ahead and access Costco Food Court menu for your deals. So if you'd like to order from the food court, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and usually it is an in-person thing, so you can head over to the Costco food court at your local warehouse. You can just go ahead and access your Costco.com and look out for the warehouse near you and look out for if there is any kind of food court services near you. You can just go ahead and look out for that option and find the food court that you may be looking. You can use the self-serve kiosks to browse the menu and select your items and then pay with a credit card and do so. Otherwise, what you can do is you can even call the food court directly and place an order. So you can look out for food court option if there is any. This one right here, tap on the plus icon under warehouse services like this, and there you'll be finding phone number. You can just go and call them directly and place an order for a pizza or any other items and arrange for pickup. And you can find the food court's phone number assigned near the other kiosk or using the store locator on the Costco website. And just go ahead and do so. And that is how you basically order from the Costco food court application. Apart from that, you can download Uber Eats or visit their website and select the Costco location and browse available items and add the desired items to your cart and choose delivery. And that way also you can order food from the Costco Food Court app. I mean Costco Food Court service. And the thing is, as I said, Costco food court items are generally not available for online ordering or delivery. So it is better to go ahead and visit in person. And Costco food court prices are typically lower because they are intended to drive in store traffic. Some stores offer delivery of prepackaged food items through Instacart or Uber Eats. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to order food from Costco Food, you may head over and follow the steps that I just told you. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.